What's up, everybody? Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we'll be doing a cute little trendy outfit that I've seen just about everywhere, and we're going to be using this stretchy material that I got from Fine Fabrics in Atlanta, also a pattern that I bought from Etsy.com, and wire from an old bra, or you can do like I did, just purchase a t-shirt bra, one of the cheap ones from Walmart, and just take the wire out of it. I will link everything in the description box below, and we can just go ahead and jump right into this video, y'all. Going to be unfolded because you have that one piece going to be open in the front. So I got 4 layers here. I'm just going to cut all of these out, and then I'm going to pin each piece together, and then we'll do all that together. And also, I'm not worried about any seam allowance because our material is super stretchy. If you have a nice stretch material, and at least a quarter inch of seam allowance. That are going to be sandwiched together. So now I'm going to take my pieces and I'm going to match them with side seams. So here, and then these are going to go on each side of this. I'm going to go ahead and pin those together and then come back so y'all can see how it's pinned and then we'll sew. Okay, people, so we got everything pinned together, and this is what it looks on the outside. I am going to take one end and I'm going to fold this in half, and then in a second I'm going to show you all how I'm going to measure this and cut it out. Okay, so y'all see how we have the front coverage right here. So the style I want like this much of it open. So I'm only going to measure from here to about right here. This is going to be the width of my strap, and we're going to cut it on one big loop, so I'm going to cut this on fold. So this measures to about 6.5 inches. Yeah, it does measure about 6.5 inches, so I'm going to leave it at 6 inches because it do stretch, and then I'm going to have a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So once I turn this strap inside out, it'll just be straight up 6 inches, and we can just attach it here on both sides of the cups on the bodice. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this out, and I'm going to cut this out on the fold. So I flip this about 12 inches wide, and now I'm going to take this whole long strip, and then I'm going to fold it over and then pin it all the way down, and then we're going to sew it closed. So do not sew across here. I don't know if the length of the went right now. I can't tell you, but we're going to leave this open on both sides. We're just going to sew it closed all the way down. So now we're going to just go ahead and sandwich everything together, as you can see here. And then we're going to pin them all together like this. And we're going to sew around that edge But before we go ahead and sew everything, I do need to show y'all something. So y'all see with the wire, it's not like going all the way up towards the boob because it's for a regular bra. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take away a couple of inches from the middle piece. So I'm just gonna take maybe like an inch, inch and a half, and just cut that off. And then we just move on to sewing everything together. Everything sewn together, and as you can see, the wire will actually fit in this placement. So we're gonna go ahead and work on the channels for the wire, and then also this little added piece I'm gonna add in here. So I have this little bitty piece of polyester boning, and I'm gonna feed it under here. So we're gonna go underneath here. I'm gonna weave it on the inside, push it all the way up there, and then sew it closed. Okay, so we got that channel in. So now we're gonna do the same thing with these. Take it underneath, and then sew right on top. Well, underneath because you don't want to sew on top of wire. But yeah, okay. So I got one piece in, well, one wire in. Now I can do the other one. So what I did was I top stitched first. So you see this first line right here is very much raggedy, but it's okay. Top stitched or closed opening here. I left a little bit of a gap at the top so I can feed it through the top to fill it in here. And then I went back through and top stitched it so it can be tight around there. So I'm going to take this bottom row of stitches out. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side, and then we'll take these out the same. So y'all, I decided not to take out the bottom row of stitches. I'm just going to leave it there because I realized that this material is easily snaggable, so I don't want to put any holes in it. But I am top stitching along the curve of that wire just to give it a tighter fit so it won't, you know, move around as much. And don't forget to backstitch. Always backstitch. Flip this back to right sides together, and then we're gonna go ahead and close it off from the bottom like how we had it pinned before. And just sew these two layers together closed. Still gonna leave the sides open, but we are gonna go ahead and close this off. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went on and closed it up because I'm about to try it on so I can do my strap. But this is what it looks like without the strap. Look at the cute little the underbust waist train, I guess you can call it. They call it the underbust corset. So this be cute. And then I didn't add any boning, but you know, if you wanted to have some stability and really give you that snatch look, you can add boning in the seams that was that you connected them at, and then you can always add a channel here in the middle. But I'm not gonna do that because I want this to be just a cute little stretchy outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see where I want my strap to lay. I did say I want about this much of the opening, so I might stop it here, right here on the seam, right there, and attach it and then strap around my neck to see how long it'll be to connect here. So I got one side pinned. I'm just gonna sew straight across here. Just want to show you how it's pinned underneath. So it's just randomly pinned up under there. Don't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to straighten it out once I get this all on. And I'm going to loop it. There's going to be a loop in there. And then I'm going to connect it to this side as well. And then go ahead and do the same thing I did to this side. So remember, we got this little opening right here. So my boob going to be out right there. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So everything is now sewn together. That's there, it's connected. I already got twisted at the top. So I'm gonna go try this on, just make sure that it fits. And then I'm gonna slap it on my mannequin that's laid out playing dead on the floor over there.